Dear students, today we will see section formula. There are two theorems on section formula. One is on internal division and second is on external division. Let's see both one by one. Let's see first theorem. This is your theorem on section formula for internal division. Let's see the statement. Let A, here in the bracket position vector of point A is given A bar. Here position vector of point B is given as B bar. Okay. Let A and B be any two points in the space and R with its position vector R bar be a point on the line segment AB dividing it internally in the ratio m is to n. Then R bar is equal to m b bar plus n a bar divided by m plus n. Okay, here internally this word is important. Here point R is on the line segment AB and this point R divides AB internally in the ratio m is to n. Then we have to show that R bar is equal to m b bar plus n a bar divided by m plus n, where a bar, b bar and r bar are position vectors of point A, B and R respectively. Okay, let's see the proof. First, we will draw the rough diagram here. See, consider line segment AB. Let O be the origin of reference. Here, position vector of point A is given A bar, means this distance OA bar is A bar. Again, position vector of point B is B bar, means its distance from origin of reference is B bar. And position vector of point R is small r bar. Therefore, write down this OR is equal to R bar. Now, this point R divides AB internally, means this point R is on this line segment, means this point R is in between A and B. Suppose R is here, then this divides AB in the ratio m is to n, means this distance is m. A to R is m and this distance is n. Okay, then write down here given OA bar means A bar, OB bar means B bar and OR bar means R bar. Okay. And what is again given? This point R divides AB in the ratio m is to n, means this AR divided by RB is nothing but m divided by n. And here this point R is like this. It is in between A and B. Okay. This point R is on the line AB such that it is in between A and B. Now from this equation I can write n times AR is equal to m times RB. Okay. Now see here this AR. Which direction this AR? We are going from A to R. We are going from A to R, means direction is like this, and R to B. Okay, direction is like this. Okay, now therefore I can write this, because here we are going from A to R and R to B. Therefore I am writing this in terms of vectors. They have same direction. You can write down AR and RB have same direction. Therefore, I am writing this. Now, I will write this AR in terms of its position vector, that is OR bar minus OA bar, and this RB means OB bar minus OR bar. Okay. Now, what is the position vector of R bar? OR bar means small r bar and OA bar means A bar. Keep the value here. OB bar means B bar and this OR bar means R bar. Now you open the bracket. This is nothing but n R bar minus n A bar is equal to m B bar minus m R bar. Okay. Now I will shift this negative term to the left hand side and this negative term to the right hand side. Then I will get m R bar plus n R bar. I have shifted this negative to the left hand side and this n R bar as it is. Now keep this m B bar as it is and shift this negative term to the right hand side. it will get positive. Okay. Now take r bar common from these two terms. Then this will be m plus n times r bar. And this will be mb bar plus na bar as it is. Okay. And in the next step, you write down r bar is equal to mb bar plus na bar and write down this divided by m plus n. And in this way, we have proved r bar is equal to mb bar plus na bar divided by m plus n. In this way, we have proved r bar is equal to mb bar plus na bar divided by m plus n. This is the section formula for internal division. Means point R is in between A and B. Okay. In this way, it is very simple to prove the section formula if you know some basic concepts of vector. Okay. Let's see the second. Now, we will see section formula for external division. Let's see here statement of theorem. Let A and B be any two points in the space and R be the third point on the line AB dividing the line segment AB externally in the ratio m is to n. Then we have to show r bar is equal to mb bar minus na bar divided by m minus n. Here point R is on the line segment AB but it divides externally. Okay. And here A bar, B bar and R bar are position vectors of point A, B and R respectively. Okay. Then again draw the diagram here. Let O be the origin of reference. Consider line segment AB and R divides externally means R is either on the side of point B or on the side of point A. Okay. Here I am considering point R on the side of point B. Okay. Means here point is on the line segment AB such that it is outside that line AB. Okay. Now what is given here? Again here given, you write down OA means A bar, OB means B bar and OR means R bar. These are position vectors of point A, B and R respectively. Okay. Then here R divides AB in the ratio m is to n and here what is? R is outside the line segment. Means this distance A to R is m and B to R is n like this. Okay. And see here we are going suppose from A to B and B to R. Okay. Then write down this AR divided by BR. What is AR distance? AR is m. And what is BR? This distance is n. Because this point R is dividing AB in the ratio m is to n. Therefore, you write down this. Then this is nothing but m times B bar. See here, we are going from A to R and B to R. See here, AR and BR have same direction. Therefore, I can write bar on this since these two A to R and B to R they have same direction. See here AR and BR have same direction. Therefore, I can put bar on this. Write down these vectors in terms of its position vectors OR minus OA. This is m times OR minus OB. Okay. Then write down their position vectors. This is R bar, A bar, m times R bar, B bar. Okay. Now open the brackets. This is n R bar minus n A bar. This is m R bar minus m B bar. Then here I will shift m B bar to the left hand side. Then that will get positive. Therefore this will be m B bar. Keep minus n A bar as it is. Here m R bar you write down as it is. And shift this n R bar to the right hand side. That will be negative here. Then take R bar common from these two terms. I will get m minus n times R bar. And here m B bar minus n A bar as it is. Then what will be the next step? Next step will be m B bar minus n A bar divided by, take this term to the left hand side, divided by m minus n is equal to r bar, means r bar is equal to like this. And this is nothing but your section formula for external division. See here, section formula for external division. What I have to prove? R bar is equal to m b bar minus n a bar divided by m minus n. We have got that. In this way, it is very easy to prove the section formula for external division also. For external division, you only remember that this distance a to r is m and b to r is n. And if I am going in the same direction, therefore here I am putting bar on this, means I am writing these two segments in the vector form. Okay students, are you enjoying mathematics? Keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye.